I'm Lulu.
Hi.
We are on our way to one of my vocal soloist concerts today. Like we've stated in the previous videos, I am doing solo concerts for, here's Anna peeking through the back, it's for nursing homes around our area, and we have 30 booked in a few short months here, so we are busy. So we're having a fun day out, a girls' day, and we're gonna
We're gonna go to Cheesecake Factory after the concert because we don't have Cheesecake Factory in our town. So there's one in Novi, so we get to go there. So that's always a fun place, even though we can't eat the cheesecake because of the cheese, but
it's still fun.
Their food is really good.
I've never been there before, and I didn't even know that we were going, but okay.
Anna is with us again today. She was in our video last week too, our 4th of July video. And like we said last week, she is here staying the week at Grammy's house for summer vacation.
Yay.
So we're having some fun girl time on summer vacation break.
Yes.
So Anna is Cece's granddaughter and my niece.
Hello.
So we are headed to Novi today, which is about an hour's drive from our house.
For her concerts, we go within an hour from our hometown. So we, north, south, east, and west from our hometown. So we go quite a ways.
All around.
A large radius.
We're all dressed up in our fancy
concert clothes.
Here's Anna. She wanted to show us her outfit. Isn't it adorable? She has a cute little rainbow on her top. And her skirt is sparkly.
And there's a hole in the back.
That's so cute. And she has this cute blue backpack. Here's one of my concert dresses that I wear to sing in.
Her hair looks so good.
Thank you.
My concert go-to-meet dress.
Isn't it pretty? She just got this dress and top from Target.
Yes.
There's Anna carrying my stool. We're putting her to use.
How dare you? Okay, we're on our way in.
Got my
And
water, my
the
speaker,
speaker
got the chair,
and
one
all
of
the
my
book work.
helpers.
In we go.
We're getting old inside this house. I don't remember what the breeze feels like. We've gotta go, we gotta get back, gotta get our feet back on the
Testing, 1, 2, 3. I think it sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it's fine.
Ready for the concert. Well, the concert was a success. It's over. It was a beautiful facility that we were at. Huge. Whoa. And now we are pulling into the 12 Oaks Mall here in Novi, and we're gonna get some Cheesecake Factory food. Anna's pretty excited about that.
Yeah. 2 thumbs up from Anna.
You don't remember what you want in life. I'll take your hand, I'll give you faith. I'll never let you go, I'm on your side. But we've gotta go, we gotta get back, gotta get our feet back on the ground.
Look at all the cheesecake that I can't eat. Yum.
Looks delicious.
Anna, take over.
We're at the beautiful Cheesecake Factory. Look at how gorgeous it is in here.
It's like waking up again, so don't let go.
I got the Chinese chicken salad. Huge, and it looks delicious.
And we got some fries to share. We love our French fries.
Yes. What did you get, Anna?
I got French fries and chicken. My usual.
We've never gone to a restaurant where she has not gotten chicken and french fries.
Unless they
She
didn't
was a
have it.
baby. What did you get, Lulu?
I got the Cobb salad with
Yum.
chicken and eggs, tomatoes, avocado. Looks good. Well, we're almost home. Oh, it's been a long day, but fun. Some fun girl time
Yes.
with Anna too. And we are going to stop at our local ice cream shop here in our little town and get Anna some ice cream. She chose to get some ice cream instead of cheesecake at the Cheesecake Factory. So we'll see what she chooses to get at the ice cream shop. With a cherry on top.
Look at how cute, with unicorn sprinkles.
Wow.
It smells really
I
good.
think it's Pop Rocks. It looks like Pop Rock.
Maybe.
Wait, we're about to find out. No, it's just hard candy. Oh, it's so good.
It smells like vanilla flavored candy or
Oh my
something.
gosh, that's amazing.
Yummy.
Can I
How's
have
your ice cream, Anna?
Amazing.
A nice summer treat, huh?
I thought it would be like rainbow, but it's not. It's blue, purple, and pink.
Yeah.
That's their favorite colors.
Well, we had a really fun day together.
Another full fun day.
Yes. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also check out our Etsy shop. The link is in the description box below.
Go there. It's fun.
And also leave a comment down below. What's your favorite summer treat? Have a great day, guys. We love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
We've gotta go, we gotta get back. Gotta get the spring back in our step.